Alright, y'all, let's get ready to install this blue bob that I customized, of course, and colored. Y'all, this is an old video, but I'm gonna upload it anyway. I was originally wasn't gonna upload this video because I didn't completely finish it, but we gonna upload it anyway. So right now, y'all, I am wiping my hairline down with some alcohol just to clean my hairline to get rid of all the excess oils. I'm spraying my hair down with the skin protector, Mean Grip skin protector. Then I'm also spraying it inside of the wig, on the lace, inside the lace. And then I put the wig back on, of course. And then afterwards, y'all, I'm gonna go back in and pretty much customize the wig to fit my hairline. And then once we done that, y'all, you know, already know we going in with the Mean Grip lace tint. I say lace tint, y'all. The Mean Grip adhesive. And as you can see, y'all, I'm gonna say a small amount. It don't look like a small amount, but it is. And I'm gonna spread it out evenly throughout my head. And y'all, again, how many videos have I made? When you're using the glue, I don't care who glue you're using, you have to spread the glue out evenly throughout the head. No lumps, no bumps, no nothing, because if not, the glue will not dry clear. And that goes for any glue. Any glue. I don't care what glue you use. Definitely spread it out evenly throughout the head so that it could dry evenly. And once it dry clear, you can go back in and put the rest of your layers. Now, y'all, I think I maybe put 3 layers, but you can put up to, for my glue, you could put up to 7 layers. To be honest with you, I have never put up to 7 layers. Never. Even with me going on vacation, swimming, I have never put up to 7 layers. I maybe put up to 5 layers. But yeah, so right now I am putting on my second layer of glue. And once I put that on, again, I'm gonna let it dry, clear. Now, y'all, I am using a blow dryer to dry my glue clear, but you can just let it sit for maybe 20 seconds or 10 seconds and it will dry clear. But I was in a rush, I think, on this video because I was getting ready to go out. So right now, y'all, I am putting on my 3rd layer. So once I am done putting on my 3rd layer, again, I am going to let the glue dry clear. And once it's dry clear, I'm gonna go in and place my wig on top of the glue and gently massage the lace into the glue. And as you can see, it's dry clear. So right now I am about to gently place the lace over the glue, or on top of the glue, and gently massage it in. And once I'm done gently massaging it in, I'm gonna put my band on it, and I am going to let it do its meltdown thing, y'all. So stay tuned while I continue to allow my glue to do its meltdown stage. Alright, now, y'all, so now that I let it do its meltdown stage, I maybe had the band on for maybe about 10 minutes. We're going to come in and we're going to cut this lace off. And if you all been a fan of me for years, right now, y'all know that I do cut the lace with the razor. I like cutting with the razor because it gives you an uneven cut. Cutting it with scissors, it just kind of give you a straight cut, which is not good. So I kind of cut mine with the razor to kind of give it that, again, not so even cut. So I'm just using the scissors right now just to kind of cut the ear tabs off, which I did not do in the beginning. Don't ask me why. But like I said, this is a old video that I decided to now post. So I am cutting the ear tabs off, and I'm going to continue to cut off the lace on the wig. And as y'all can see, this lace is really white. And it's really white like that, y'all, because this wig was originally a blind wig that I colored this little blue color. So just stay tuned while I continue to cut the lace off. Okay, now that I finished cutting the lace off, y'all, we about to go in with the melt spray, and we're going to put that all over the lace, y'all, to try to melt this lace a little more, because again, this lace is a little white, and we're going to just try to melt down the ends of the lace. And y'all, I don't usually spray my melt spray directly on it. I spray it on my finger, and I tap it onto the lace. And once I do that, I kind of blow dry it a little bit, because you don't want to put your band on right away, because if you do, the band is going to get stuck and it's going to pull your lace up, and you don't want that. So you dry it a little bit, or you let it air dry a little bit, then you put your band back on and let it sit for about 10 minutes. Then once it's done, you can come back and finish the rest of the steps like I'm about to do, and see it melted a little bit, but again, my lace is still white. So right now I am going to take out my baby hairs, and once I'm done taking my baby hairs out, we're gonna come back and try to get rid of this whiteness from this lace. Alright, y'all, now that I got my baby hairs out, we're going to go back in with the melt spray and put a little bit on, again, the lace. And again, we're going to pretty much repeat the same step. And we're going to let it dry before putting the band on. And we're going to put the band on, and then we'll come back and again try to fix this whiteness. Okay, now that it did its meltdown, y'all, we about to fix this whiteness of the lace. As you already know, we about to use the Mean Grip Lace Tint Mousse in Sweet Caramel, and we're gonna put that all over the lace, and it's going to pretty much tint my lace to my color. Now, y'all, before you put the lace tint mousse on, you do have to shake it up before applying it, because if not, if you don't shake it up, then it's not mixed, then it may come out a totally different color than what you expected. So definitely shake it up before using it. And once I'm done, I'm gonna just kind of do a little cleanup, because the lace tint mousse does make a little mess, and it may tint your skin a little bit. So once I was done putting that on, I put my band on, let it sit for a little bit, and as y'all can see, ta-da, the white is gone. So yes, the lace tint mousse is definitely a must when you're doing your lace wig. It's a must. So right now, y'all, we about to take care of these baby hairs. So as you can see, I'm cutting off my baby hairs to create them, and my baby hairs are a little thick, but so as the video go on, I am going to kind of thinning them out a little bit. So right now, again, we're just cutting them with the razor, and I believe in this video we did curl them with a flat iron. Yes, I did. So I curled them backwards, if you want to say. Again, curling your baby hairs is an option, but if you want a beginner friendly option, the curling them is a good option to help you mold your baby hairs. So right now, y'all, I am using the Mean Grip styling mousse to form them, and I know y'all probably like, well, why you didn't just use the lace tint mousse to do that? You can use the lace tint mousse, but I like the styling mousse because the styling mousse kind of give it that crisp baby hairs, and once it become crisp, I like to comb it out, and it kind of give it that form and shape. And as I say, y'all, my baby hairs are right now are really thick. I am going to go in, I don't know if it's going to be on this video or off camera, to kind of thinning them out to create a little more thinner baby hairs. But y'all, as I always state, your baby hairs make your style. If your baby hairs ain't correct, baby, your wig will be completely off. So now that I molded the baby hairs, I am going to go back in and put the band on it to let it dry. And then once they dry, I'm going to come back. Okay, y'all, now that my baby hairs are dry, I like to come back in and, of course, shape them up a little more. And I also like to comb mine out because, again, I don't really like crispy baby hairs or baby hairs that are pretty much stuck to my forehead. So I like to comb them out and make them look more flowy and natural. So I am combing them out, and I'm kind of moving some to the back and kind of thinning them out to make them the wig look much better. Because again, I stated, your baby hairs make your wigs. If your baby hairs ain't correct, then your wig will not look good. So y'all, I am going to finish up with my baby hairs, but this video is about to come to an end. So definitely let me know what y'all thought of this installment, and I appreciate you guys for watching, and make sure you subscribe to my channel.